Okay, so we're gonna start with installing the, what is this? Installing the upper coolant housing from K-Tuned. Pretty nice piece, but we got to do some removals of these bolts here first. So we're going to do that. Now, two of these bolts, you will have to reverse thread them out. I'm sure you've seen videos on how to do that. Essentially, you get two nuts, put them together, tighten them up, and then reverse thread the actual bolt out. It might be a little rough, but it's supposed to be. Alright. The same for the other bolt. Oh, we gotta back out the other guy. Right, so now that that's been taken off, you can go ahead and go do the same thing on the next bolt. You put it in head in first, so the flat piece is out, and then you pretty much flat to flat. That's the way you want it to go in. You want it to get a little tight, essentially, so it doesn't back out anymore. It's a 12 branch. Kind of tighten it so it breaks. It should break too. It shouldn't take that much force to back it out. We're good to go. And the upper coolant housing from K-Tuned does come with hardware, so you don't have to worry about keeping the bolts. So we've got beautiful, perfect fit. Now this is just a mock-up. I'm not putting this on, obviously, because I need to Honda bond the entire surface onto the block to ensure a good seal. So I'm just mocking it up now, just to see, make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Now we get the hardware. Now again, this is just a mock-up. It's not staying for good. I'm not even torquing it down. It's just a mock-up. Besides, when I put the motor into the car, I'm gonna remove everything just to make sure I don't break anything. There you have it. So now, this will be getting changed because I am going with a dash 16 AM line to go with the radiator. So it just makes it a lot easier just to screw on, screw off without having to deal with any kind of stupid clamps. Okay, so let's throw this on. forgot to order the cap. For some reason, I thought it came with it. It doesn't. That's all right. Put this one on for now. And let's see what else we got here. All right, so this goes over here, I assume. I'm not sure if that has to be Teflon or what the case is with that. And we got a little MPT fitting, goes right on top. Alright. And it also comes with an extra plug, I guess, to delete this if you're not running this particular hose. And that's another part installed. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, that looks good. I like the way that looks. That looks really good. So now we're going to install a few things on the intake manifold. In order to do that, we need to have an intake manifold. Alright, so just putting a few bolts in. That's going to sound a whole lot better. So, like I was saying before, in order to work on the intake manifold, we need an intake manifold. So here we have your basic RBC intake manifold. We have the K-Tuned fuel rail. We have a 72mm K-Tuned throttle body with grams designed 1000 cc injectors. So now what we're going to do here is install the 4-bar map sensor. Which does not come with a bolt, unfortunately. That goes right here. Yeah, we're gonna need to get one of those. Four-bar map sensor. Next. Yes. TPS. Hall effect TPS with pluggers. Let's go ahead and install this one. Cut this one open. Okay. Now, here we are. light little scuffs on it, but all in all, still good. I'm gonna take off these stock hardware. Comes with the K-Tuned throttle body. Does come with some other bolts. We'll see which one you like best. I'm not sure. I think it just goes straight on like that. Boom. Good to go. Let's put on the hardware. Two bolts and two washers. Very straightforward. Coming together. Yes, sir. That's quite good. Oh no, that's not. I'm a goof. Tell I don't know what I'm doing. I guess that's where the map sensor goes. All right. These parts don't really come with instructions. All they come with is stickers. Most of the time. Keep that nice and tight in there. All right, so what's next? Clutch line that goes on the trans. Let's bust it. So that's pretty much coming together so far. Until the next time.